Hey guys, so I wanted to post a really quick video for today. I'm showing you guys this PR package I got from TresShe Talons, or TresShe Talons, and I had to just show you the unveiling of this package. I just took it out of this super big box over here and I was shocked by what I saw. Wow, just wow, this is huge. This is my hand for comparison. This is massive. Oh my god. It looks like a big version of their older packaging, like a really huge version. I'm so dead. So, wow, I don't even know what to say. I'm gonna take these out and then we're gonna look at them in detail because they just came out with some new shapes. It even opens like the old packaging does. It has like a clasp. I don't know if this is just for PR or if they actually ship them to people like this. I probably doubt it, but I wanted to just let you guys experience this with me. So they sent me some of the older shapes, but in new colors that they have. This one's like a black jelly. And this one's kind of like mermaid glitter look to it. And then they sent me their new XXX. Wow, these are really cute. I'm gonna try them on. So exciting. Hey guys, so for TresShe Talons, I do have a discount code. My code is FemiBeauty for 20% off of the website. So if you want to save some money, you can use my code. I am affiliated with the brand, so I do make a small commission off of each sale using my code. So we're gonna look at each of these. I'm gonna take the plastic off. And this color is called Y2K Baby. Love, I think this is gonna be my, I don't know, is this like my third time unboxing TresShe Talons on camera? I really hope you guys can see. Oh my god, my nails look awful. There's like some gel polish left over. I just took my nails off. So this color is called Y2K Baby. This is what they look like. It reminds me of like a pink nail with like fairy glitter on it. And this is the old shape and length. I would call this kind of like a short coffin. And when I tried on the other nails in the past, I would like customize the shape. So you do have the option to customize. It comes with all the other nails in a little bag. You get the alcohol pad to dehydrate your nail, take off the oils and dirt. And they also sent nail glue. And then in the back here, everything you need to do your set. You get a little file, a cuticle pusher, wood stick, and the actual nail glue. The nail glue that comes with the TresShe Talons is really good. It's kind of got this jelly consistency and it dries really quickly and it's super easy to use, and it also has a really good wear time. That's what I use a lot sometimes. I just reach for it and I love the glue. TresShe Talons, they also do like, I think they do like handmade nails sometimes. They used to do something called 5-Drop Friday where they would kind of put out these nails that looked like they were handmade. So they would put like 3D charms on them and stuff. So just be on the lookout. Maybe get onto their newsletter. This is the color called, let me see, Toke. And it has like this smoky black look to it. I'll put it on my hand. Super freaking cute. This is really, really, really cute. And the thing about TresShe Talons is they definitely are hard. They're not like, they don't feel cheap and they don't feel like they're gonna fall apart. The color is actually like on the nail, or like the color is actually like in the nail. It's not painted on or anything. The nail itself is actually like made in the color, so it's not like the color is gonna peel off or wear down. So this is in the color Lunar Dust, and this is the extra long coffin shape. And this shape is pretty cute to me. Like, for someone like me who's obsessed with like shaping and having like a nail in a certain shape, this pretty much meets my shaping standard. And oh no. So all the other nails come in there like that, and you get the glue, wood stick, and file just like the other ones. And I think I'm gonna wear these today, so I'm gonna set them to the side. But these are super gorgeous. I don't know if it will come up on camera like how pretty they are. When I look at these, I see the ombre blend. It's like white to pink, but it kind of has like something green up here. I don't know if that's from the chrome. And then there's like a fairy glitter on top. but there's also like this Aurora chrome effect on top, and it's very, very, very rainbowy and reflective. It's insane. I've never seen anything like that in my life. Those are exceptional. The box for the XXX is bigger, which makes sense because they're bigger nails. I'm just gonna quickly show you what the other ones look like. These are matte and they're beautiful. They're perfectly printed on, like that cheetah print is like perfect, and it's a V French. These are so gorgeous. And then ultra long instant, okay, it's the same thing. Oh, and then so these are called Wild Tingz. That's cute. And this one's called Dolled Up. And this one would be like the more natural everyday type of look. It's a shiny nude with a pink side French, and that is kind of really cute to me. I like that they covered all the bases, but it's still very trendy, very on trend with the side tip. Love that. I'm gonna just place them on my nails so you can get a feel for what they look like, because the jelly doesn't really translate well if it's just shown. So that's kind of how sheer they are. You cannot really see my nail too much under there. And of course you can always customize these. I like that they come in a bit of a neutral shape. That way everyone can put their own spin on it. I'm gonna place this one on my nail too. That looks so good around my cuticle area, by the way, just saying. I love how flush it is. So these nails have like their own apex built into it. It has like a really nice apex. They're not overly thick. So yeah, that's what Wild Tingz looks like. It doesn't have a lot of sheerness, so you're not gonna see any nail through this one. So I'm gonna speed through sizing these and applying these on my nails. So to apply these, I'm gonna start by cleansing the nails. This is going to get rid of any oil and dirt so you can have better adhesion. Next, we're going to take the little hand file and put some scratches on our nails. That way the glue will have something to stick onto. And try to focus right around your cuticles so that if you have any like cuticle on there, you can file it away like this. You don't have to be aggressive and overdo it. I'm also going to use the cuticle pusher to push back any cuticle. And boom, my nails are prepped. So the glue has this like thing at the top. I'm gonna twist that off. I really like that. That's really convenient. So with the glue, we're just gonna put some on the nail. And if you get it on the skin, you can grab the cuticle pusher to help scrape it off. So as you can see, the glue has this like jelly-ish texture, which to me makes it easy to work with. And I'm gonna grab my thumbnail and press down. Make sure that it's straight, and yeah, that's it. And I would just hold it here for maybe like 10, 20, 30 seconds. So there's some little bits of glue that came out the sides. I'll just grab that alcohol wipe, and before it dries, you wipe it away. And yeah, it's pretty harmless. So I'm just gonna keep doing this to all my nails. So this is the final result of what my nails came out like. This is so pretty. Like, I don't know if it's gonna show on camera properly how they really look, but these are amazing to look at in person. I feel like I'm gonna get compliments on my nails all day long. Y'all did that. TresShe Talons, please do more like these. Like, we want more colors of these. It looks like a three-way ombre, doesn't it? It's so, you guys, there's this like literal metallic sheen on these that looks way different than any like chrome I've ever seen in my life. It's so incredible. So yeah, if you guys are interested, the links will be down below, and don't forget to use the discount code. To save you some shmun on your order, sis. So yeah, thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and definitely be looking forward to another upload from me coming soon. I'm doing my sister's nails today. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys are having a good one, and I'll see you guys in the next one. I love you so much. Bye.